I think that every company should actually post their values. This is huge because we did this. This is Artemis Ventures Values 1.1. Version 1.0, we posted it, and one of our people quit. And that was good because it's always better for someone to quit than to fire them. And it's important to understand if your values are aligned because that's the stuff that matters on the hard days, okay? So our values are add massive value. Make sure that all of our startups feel like they're really well taken care of. Also, these are bi-directional. If our startups don't think we're adding massive value to them, they call us up and they say, hey, you know, I need more value here, okay? Make and keep commitments. We call our entrepreneurs on that. They call us if they don't feel like we're keeping our commitments. Take ownership. Respect one another. Okay, we have the money, but they have the idea. You know, it's not like we're superior, right? We need a place to put that money. They are going to take our money and they're going to build something great. It's got to be mutually respectful or else forget about it, okay? Be positive, and then our latest one, which is for the 1.1, seek balance.